Hello. Meet the new specialized bike, Roll Elite Limited Low-Entry, Lobster Roll. Inspired by a favored New England vacation pastime, the Lobster Roll begs for a leisurely afternoon cruise to the dockside to enjoy the catch of the day, and a cold one. So, grab a pair of sunnies and some boat shoes and cruise down to the harbor on your Lobster Roll. With a lightweight alloy frame and fork, 9 speeds of go-fast gearing, stable and wide 650V tires, and powerful hydraulic disc brakes, this roll has everything you need to make tossing that rusty old beach cruiser in the trash an easy decision. Do your ride a favor and roll your own. Like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.